This is a brand new Falcon, guys. We just fired it up. I'm seasoning it right now. But this is brand spanking new. It's never been seen a fire. Just literally rolled out the shop this morning. We haven't done anything to it. It's got it's a 24 by 72 3-door chamber with upper and lower slide racks. So there's 6 slide racks in here, and obviously 3 temperature gauges. Steel front shelf, 3,500 pound axle. I'll put some custom wheels on it and tires. These are some good Goodyear Wrangler tires. Really nice heavy duty tires on this one. And of course 2-inch ball valve. 24 by 24 quarter wall round firebox, our standard firebox with dial style air intake vents. But guys, this is the first fire it's seen. I mean, we just lit the fire maybe an hour ago, probably about 45 minutes ago. Look at the gauges. I haven't even adjusted the plates on it. We just kind of set the plates in there, the tuning plates in there. And I plan on tweaking it today while I'm seasoning it, but I don't think there's a whole lot I'm gonna need to be doing to this. Look at that, man. It don't get any better than that. That's Gator Pit.